Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if search isn't working on Prime Video, no results, errors or missing titles, it's usually caused by app glitches, connection issues, region restrictions or account problems. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix search not working on Prime Video in 2026, simple and effective. So you have to know that search results depend on your region and subscription. Some titles may not be available in your country, and temporary server issues can affect search. So most issues means region, app bag or connection. Okay, so first thing you can do is check your internet connection. Okay, so make sure you are connected to stable Wi-Fi or data. Weak or unstable internet can break search. Okay, you can also restart the app, like close Prime Video completely and reopen it, like it fixes temporary glitches affecting search. You can also restart your device. Okay, so restart your TV, phone or computer. It's clear system level issues. Okay, you can also update the app, like go to your app store, update Prime Video. Okay, and it fixes bugs causing search failure. Okay, you can also check profile restrictions, like switch from kids profile to standard profile. Kids mode limits searchable content. Okay, otherwise disable VPN or proxy if you are using any, like turn off VPN or proxy, because VPN may cause incorrect or empty results. Okay, you can also try searching on another device, like use phone, TV or browser. It helps identify if issue is device specific. Okay, otherwise check region availability, like try searching for a popular global title. If it appears issue is title availability. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.